The great kick that sent your kids' team to the finals also sent the tomato sauce and cola flying onto your carpet and couch. Go ahead and keep cheering. The Bissell Spotclean Portable Deep Cleaner can take care of the spills, spots and stains, even if you don't find them until the season is over. The Bissell Spotclean uses water, formula and powerful suction to permanently remove spots and stains, even the ones that have been around for a while. To get started, fill the removable, easy grip flat-bottomed tank with water and Bissell Oxygen Boost, which boosts cleaning performance through permanent stain removal. Then add Bissell Spot and Stain formula. The lightweight Spotclean comes with a tough stain tool to reach spots and stains anywhere from carpet to stairs, to upholstery and car interiors. And the HeatWave technology built into the Spotclean helps maintain the temperature of water and formula in the tank throughout the cleaning process. When you are finished cleaning, simply empty the dirty water tank and rinse out the stack. Next, simply wind up the cord and hose. The compact design of the Spotclean makes it easy to store in small spaces. Your home is a place for celebration, and with the help of the Bissell Spotclean, it can also be a place for relaxation.